Hi friends, welcome to my weekly Walmart grocery pickup haul. I'm sharing with you our weekly groceries and our weekly meal plan on what I'm using all the groceries for. So I love to stay under $200 per week for all of our groceries, and this week I was right at that at $196. So I love being on budget. It is kind of my goal every week to stay on our grocery budget. But I'm going to share with you everything that I got from Walmart. I have our meal plan written down, so I'll share it with you. And this video this week is a collaboration with my friends Jessica and Tiffany. So there's going to be a playlist of everyone's weekly grocery hauls, and I love seeing what everyone gets and what they're making for the week. So make sure you check that in the description box. I'll have Jessica and Tiffany's channels as well as the playlist. If you enjoy grocery haul videos and meal planning ideas, make sure you click subscribe. I have tons. I have a whole playlist of meal planning ideas. So make sure you click subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have any questions or just to say hi. I love to see that you stopped by. So I'm going to show you everything that we have for the week. So let's get it going. All right, so here are all of the groceries from the Walmart pickup for this week. So everything we're gonna have, I will share with you everything, and then I have the meal plan that I will also share with you. So I'm gonna start over on this side. I have kind of like the meat over here. We have the chicken breast for the week. You know, we go through a ton of chicken breasts, grill it up and use it for all kinds of different things. I have been getting almost every week, this is the new family obsession, is asada, like taco meat. And my husband makes it on the Blackstone with some asada seasoning, and the kids love it. My husband puts it with his eggs in the morning, so it is like our new obsession almost every week. I got this already cooked bacon. I'm going to do like a loaded baked potato soup, but it's going to be cauliflower, so low carb, so I'm replacing the potatoes with cauliflower. It's super delicious. I'm going to make a video on it, so check back for that video. I have our Cheerios, which my kids are obsessed with Cheerios. I used to get these all the time, but they haven't had them lately, so I got 2 packs this week. Yogurt covered raisins, super fun snack. My husband puts them in his lunches that he packs for work, but they're really good. A big pack of brown sugar maple oatmeal. Zachary's oatmeal guy, so we have a lot of oatmeal each week. I got a big bag of apples. We were totally out of apples, so I got 10 of them this week. I hope that makes it through the week. My kids love apples. They want them like every day as an after school snack. I got an onion, I got grapefruit. I'm going to be doing a detox grapefruit drink with apple cider vinegar. Again, I'll make a video on that, so check back for that video. But I love doing detox drinks with apple cider vinegar, and grapefruit is so good for you. So that drink is going to be awesome. I have blueberries. We love blueberries. We go through like about a pack a week. All of our avocados for the week. Avocados have been so good lately. So I have 5 avocados here that should last us the week. 2 18 packs of eggs. If you've been around my channel, you know we go through a ton of eggs in our house, and I have to get a ton every week. And I am really glad. It's been a while now that the price has gone down in eggs, but when the price was super high, like 6 months ago, oh my gosh, I was like, please, I'm gonna have to get some chickens in the backyard because they're so expensive. But so glad that they're cheaper now because we go through a lot. This water enhancer is so good. This is the mixed berry flavor, and it has tons of B vitamins. So I just add this to my water and I love it. So good. I got bananas and some frozen sausage, like frozen link sausage. This is the maple flavor, which is really good, and my kids have been gobbling this up for breakfast each day. Frozen edamame, love it. You just steam it in the bag in the microwave. Carrots, we love carrot snacks. Tortillas, Benjamin eats quesadillas all the time. I got a ton of cream cheese. They came in these 2-packs, and it was a way better price to buy them like in these double packs. I'm going to be making a couple different dips for a party that we're going to. So needed lots of cream cheese. I got 2 things of Greek yogurt. I have sour cream for the dips. And then I love cottage cheese as a snack. It's one of my favorite snacks ever. As you can tell, I get a lot of great value brand products. It's the Walmart brand, and I love it. It's way, way less inexpensive than name brands, and to me, it's all the same. So if ever there's an option for great value versus another brand, I usually always pick great value just to save some money. You know, I love my budget grocery shopping. I got some lettuce, gonna do some salad this week. A gallon of milk. We go through a lot of milk. Usually we can make it through the week with a gallon, but sometimes I do have to run to the store and grab another one if we're having a lot of milk that week. But usually, almost always, we can get through the week with 1 gallon. These are the best chips, Cantina style tortilla chips. They are nice and like thin and crispy. And so I got these for some of the dips that I'm going to be making. I'm actually going to make a video on the dips. They are all going to be crock pot dips. So they are going to be really, really easy, and I love everything in the crock pot. So I will be making a video on that. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe so you don't miss any of the awesome videos I'm going to be making coming up. I got some apple cider vinegar because I love it for all my detox drinks. It is so good for you. So this brand brags, so it's organic, raw, unfiltered, your daily dose of wellness with the mother, unpasteurized. So good for you. Really great for weight loss. Really great to boost your immune system. I love things that boost your immunity, so love apple cider vinegar. Some canned goods. I got 2 things of black beans. I got some corn, diced green chilies. So we were out of black beans, so I got 2 of those. Zucchini, broccoli. I got these stir-fry veggies. I'm going to be doing a stir-fry meal prep this week. So with palmini noodles, and so I got all the stir-fry veggies. Brussels sprouts. So we're going to have tons of veggies this week with all our dinners, but I'll show you the dinner meal plan in a minute. Here's the cauliflower I mentioned at the beginning. I'm going to do a loaded cauliflower soup in the crock pot. So here is the cauliflower for that. Some Alfredo sauce. This one's really good. This Bertolli brand. Love it. And that is going to be with this tortellini. So easy and so inexpensive too. It's $3 for this whole bag, and it's ready in 3 minutes. So it is so easy. My kids have been into tortellini lately, so got that. And it's frozen, so we don't have to eat it right away, but I do have it on the meal plan for this week. A big bag of pistachios. Such a yummy, delicious snack. My husband sandwich thins, so you get 2 packs a week. This is Benjamin's favorite bread that he likes his peanut butter sandwiches on. So it's honey wheat, and it's super soft, but that's his favorite bread. I needed a big old thing of mayonnaise for one of the dips I'm making. Some Colby Jack cheese, some shredded cheddar cheese. So this was substituted, and I had, and so was this. This was substituted. So sometimes Walmart doesn't have the exact item that I ordered, but they give you the closest substitute available, and I approved these. These still work for the recipes that I am going to use them for. But these are the groceries. This is everything. So this will get us through the whole week. Our whole family of 4, me and my husband and the boys, they're 5 and 6 years old. So this is all of our food. My husband and I, we pack our lunches every day, and the boys, they get lunch at school, which is really nice. So I don't have to pack their lunches. It's a free lunch service through our school. I think it's through the state of California somehow. I'm not really sure on the details, but the food is free for lunch, so we don't have a lot of lunch food for the kids. So here is the dinners for the week. So Sunday, I'm going to do the crock pot cauliflower soup. It's going to be like a loaded baked potato soup with bacon, and it's going to be really, really good. We're going to barbecue up some chicken on Monday. I'm going to do sheet pan sausage and veggies on Tuesday. I have a sausage already in the refrigerator. It's one of those like smoked sausages, and they're really good. Wednesday, we're going to do chicken burrito bowls. Thursday, we're going to do Alfredo tortellini because it's so quick and we're super busy on Thursday nights. Friday, I'm going to do chicken apple sausage and edamame. And Saturday, we are going to a party. So I have these party appetizers I'm going to make. And like I said, I'll do a video on those. So make sure you check that out. For my lunch meal prep, I'm going to do palmini noodles. If you've been around my channel, you know how much I love palmini. It is hearts of palm. So it's super low calorie, super low carb. And they look just like noodles. And mix them with some yummy ingredients. And you've got yourself like a really awesome pasta recipe with very low calorie and carbs. So I'm going to do a palmini with stir fry noodles, like a lo mein type dish. I'm going to do my crock pot appetizers. I'm going to do a corn crack dip and spinach artichoke dip. And for breakfast meal prep this week, it's going to be eggs and sausage. So I will prep that all up so it's ready. Even though like scrambled eggs and sausage is pretty quick, I just feel like if I don't have it ready, it is just kind of a pain to get everything out. I would rather prep it all, have it ready, and then I can just pull it out of the fridge when we're ready for breakfast in the morning. So I hope that you enjoyed this week's grocery haul and this week's meal plan. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos of all the recipes I'm going to use all of these ingredients for. So make sure you subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have any questions at all, and I will see you in my next video. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.